Now let us understand how to restore a project. To restore a project, launch ParseCADA Studio and navigate to the home menu by clicking on the hamburger icon. To restore a project, click on the Restore option from the Backup icon drop-down. From the Browse option, choose the backup file. You can choose to give the new project a new name, or you can hold on to the name of the backup file. You can also choose the location for the new project to be stored on your PC. Select the configuration files if you want to restore the configuration files. Also select all subdirectories if you want to back up all the directories inside the project folder. Choose Yes. Now we have the backup of our 8-port project.